Hello, in this video we'll do exercise 7, page 69. Circle the fractions that are equivalent to 1/2. We have to see if we can divide or we multiply each fraction to get 1/2. 2/4. 2 is greater than 1 and 4 is greater than 2, so we have to divide. If we divide the 2 by 2, we get 1, and if we divide the 4 by 2, we get 2. If we divide the 2 by 2, we get 1, and if we divide the 4 by 2, we get 2. So we get 1/2. So yes, this fraction is equivalent to 1/2 because we divide the numerator and the denominator by the same number to get 1/2. If we divide the 3 by 3, we get 1, but we can't divide the 7 by any number to get 2 because no number times 2 is equal to 7. So this fraction is not equivalent to 1/2. Now here if we divide by 5, 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1 because 1 times 5 is equal to 5. And if we divide the 10 by 5 also, we get 2. So this fraction is equivalent to 1/2. Now here, if we divide the 4 by 4, we get 1. And if we divide the 8 by 4, we get 2. We divide by the same number, so 4/8 is equivalent to 1/2. Now if we divide the 2 by 2 we get 1, but we cannot divide the 3 by any number to get 2 because 2 times no number is equal to 3. Here is the same 5, we cannot divide by any number to get 2 because no number times 2 is equal to 5. Now let's do exercise 9 at page 70. Complete with equal or not equal. It is different. It means not equal. So we have to see if we multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number or we divide the numerator and the denominator by the same number to get the other fraction. 3 how becomes 12? Becomes bigger. So if we multiply the 3 by 4, we get 12. And if we multiply the 7 by 4 also, we get 28. So we multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number. So yes, these fractions are equal. Now 4 times 5 is equal to 20. And if we multiply the 5 by 5 also, we get 25. So we multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number. So yes, they are equal. Now, no number times 2 is equal to 3. We cannot multiply the 2 by any number to get the 3. So these two fractions are not equal. Here 25 becomes 5. It becomes smaller, so we have to divide the 25 by what? 5 times what is equal to 25 times 5? So we have to divide by 5. If we divide the 40 by 5 also, we get 8 because 8 times 5 is equal to 40. So here we divide the numerator and the denominator by the same number. So yes, these two fractions are equal. Now here, this is the 2 how becomes 0. If we multiply the 2 by 0, we get 0. But the 8 how becomes 16 becomes bigger, so we multiply by what? By 2. If we multiply the 8 by 2, we get 16. But pay attention. We multiply the numerator by 0 and the denominator by 2. We multiply by different number. We don't multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number. So these two fractions are not equal. Now the 2 how becomes 6? If we multiply the 2 by 3, we get 6. But what about the 13? If we multiply the 13 by 3, do we get 39? Let's see. 13 times 3. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 1, 3. So yes, it is 39. So if we multiply the 13 by 3 also, we get 39. So we multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number. So yes, they are equal. Now 9, how becomes 19? It becomes bigger, so we multiply by 10. And if we multiply the 10 by 10 also, we get 100. So we multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number. So yes, they are equal. Now 9 how becomes 3? It becomes smaller. So we divide by what? 3 times what is equal to 9? Times 3. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So we divide by 3. And if we divide the 12 by 3 also, we get 4. Because 4 times 3 is equal to 12. So we divide by the same number. So yes, they are equal. Now let's do exercise 11, page 70. Nadine bought 2 bags of nuts, each containing the same number of nuts. He ate 2/5 of the nuts in one bag, and his brother ate 6/15 of the nuts in the other. Nadim says, my brother and I ate the same number of nuts. Is he correct? To know if they eat the same number of nuts, we have to see if 2/5 and 6/15 are equal or not, because we have to come to, because Nadim ate 2/5 and his brother ate 6/15. Let's see if they are equal or not, to see if they ate the same number of nuts or not. The 2 how becomes 6? If we multiply the 2 by 3, we get 6. And the 5 how becomes 15? If we multiply the 5 by 3 also, we get 15. So we multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number. So yes, they are equal. So he is correct. Yes, they ate the same number of nuts. So yes, he is correct. And thank you.